Meaning of haut-relief.
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 Haut-relief. Haut-relief is a French term that refers to a sculptural technique where the carved figures or designs project from the background by at least half of their natural circumference. It is also known as high relief and is often used in architecture, decorative art, and sculpture to add depth and dimension to a work of art. The result is a three-dimensional image that appears to be coming out of the surface of the material used for the sculpture. Haut-relief is a classic technique commonly used in classical art and continues to be popular today.